Recently, a student emailed me and asked, what is the difference between the direct object and the indirect object? I made some coffee for you. The subject is I. The verb is made. Coffee is the direct object, and you is the indirect object in this sentence. A direct object is usually a thing. An indirect object is usually a person. What did I make? I made some coffee. Coffee is the direct object, and it receives the action of the verb. Who did I make it for? I made it for you. We can rewrite this sentence and say, I made you some coffee. The subject is I, the verb is made, the indirect object is you. In the previous sentence, for you is at the end of the sentence. You can put this after the verb, take off for, and then the direct object goes at the end of the sentence. I made you some coffee. Let's look at some more examples. He bought a book for his sister. The subject is he, the verb is bought, the direct object is book, and his sister is the indirect object. You can rewrite the sentence like this. He bought his sister a book. The subject is he, the verb is bought, the indirect object is his sister, and book is the direct object at the end of the sentence. He bought his sister a book. They sent an email to me. The subject is they, the verb is sent. Email is the direct object, and to me, the indirect object. Change to they sent me an email. The subject is they, the verb sent. Me is the indirect object. You don't use to here. Don't say they sent to me an email. Email is the direct object. Both of these examples show the following word order. Subject, verb, direct object, indirect object. This is what you learn when you first learn English. Subject, verb, indirect object, and direct object. This is what you're learning right now in this example. They sent me an email.